Hi friends, welcome to eatstreet. Britannia Little Hearts Classic Biscuits. Cadbury's Bonvita biscuits with calcium and iron. Britannia Treat Crazy Pineapple Biscuits. Cadbury's Oreo Chocolatey Sandwich Biscuits. Cadbury Shots. Nestle KitKat. Have a break, have a KitKat. Cadbury's Dairy Milk Chocolate. Britannia 50/50 Golmal Biscuits, 0 trans fat. Hershey's Choco Chips Cookies and Cream Flavored, 20 rupees pack, coated wafer. Nestle Munch, 5 rupees pack. Kinder Joy Pink Edition rich in milk solids with surprise. Naturo Fruit to Go, the original fruit bar since 1986, mango flavored. Band Baja candy, whistle candy. This is toy candy. Britannia Treat Awesome Orange Cream Biscuits. Sunfeast Dark Fantasy Bourbon with Classic Chocolate Biscuits, 20% extra. Cadbury Gems More Chocolatey Confectionery. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.